Okay, so in this one we're looking at wave judging. So we looked at some videos, and I'm going to discuss how we judge waves, and then we look at you inputting your results in one column and the actual results in the other. And then we do some calculations on these figures, try and make Excel look more interesting in real life for you all. Okay, so this one here, you can see I've got 1.4, 3.2, 3.4. And what I've done is I've sorted them from smallest to lowest, and then took the two highest to get the total score, and the highest total score will win. After that, I've got the average, and sometimes the average is used to show how a surfer is going overall throughout the competition. Okay, so this one here will be yours, and then the actual results will be presented through a YouTube video. Okay, so watch the wave first, you'll score, and then you'll put the actual results in over this side. And then we'll do the same calculations. So let's look at setting up Excel. So File, New. So always remembering to go blank worksheet, sign in, and if you go and turn autosave on, it will automatically save it to your OneDrive. Always make sure you save it first and give it a name, not like book 2. Alright, so let's go with the wave judging. Same thing again, highlight multiple cells, merge and center to create a title. Bold, center, good, and then we can go center. Okay, good. So we're going to have two tables. So let's go and do that now. So I'm going to have the surfer's name in the video, which is going to be Geordie Smith or Jay Smith, who's South African, and the Brazilian Italo Ferreira. Okay, and then you're just going to do 4 waves. Drag the corner down, and it automatically updates the numbers for you, so that's pretty cool. And then we're going to insert new row, make another one as well, and you can go through, and this one can be yours, so merge and center, so your results, good, enter, and this one here can be actual results. Okay, enter, good, and then we'll use the same table. So we'll go through, and we will add the border, like so. Control C, and Control V. Great. There we go. Then underneath we'll have the names again and their averages. So let's do that now. Good. And then average, so total first. And then average underneath. And then highlight. So let's go there, highlight cells, inside border, outside border, and we can just copy that and put it here as well, saving us time. Good. So there's our setup. So then as we go through the video, you can type in your scores. I'll show you some example scores like we did in the last one. So 2.3 might be one wave. It doesn't matter about the order as much. So let's go 5.6, 4.5, and 7.2. Notice that all waves are scored out of 10. Okay, so the highest is going to be 10, but it rarely happens. That'd be very good. Let's go with 6.5, 4.3, and 3.3, and the last one make it 1.4. Good. And then your actual results. So that might be 2.7, 6.0, 4.2, and let's go an 8. And the same thing here. So let's put in 6.9. Let's assume you're pretty close. 6.5, 3.8, and 2.2. Good. Now we've got our values. We can look at doing the sorting. So the first thing we do is we get the top 2. So we go through and highlight all the waves. Let's try again. And then after that we go through and we will sort. So smallest to lowest and just the current selection. Good, and you can see there it's from 2.2 to 7.2. Now we do the same thing again here and we go through and sort smallest to largest, current selection. Great. And let's do the same through here. Let's see if we can go Control Y. No, it doesn't work. So Control Y usually gets you to redo a command, but we'll have to do this again. So smallest to largest, current selection, and keep going. So now we've gone through and we've sorted them all out. We need to get the top 2, which is going to be these 2, because it's going from smallest to largest. So I can go and sum them together, because usually in judging, you get the top 2 waves as the score, and the person with the highest gets the win. So it's going to be this one here. It's all right. This one here, and this one here, and then enter. Good. And you got 12.8, and then drag it across. And I'll just, as you see here again, C9, C10. Right, so that works out pretty well, doesn't it? And then we can do the average. So you can do average and just select the values you want to average, which is going to be the top 2. Again. Okay, click in it again, make sure you've got equals or else the formula won't work. Yes. In here. That one. Make sure you add in the colon and this one, and then enter. Remembering you can always drag your square across, and this will give you the average for this, which will be 5.4. Obviously, this is more useful when there are larger numbers involved. Okay, and you can see how it works in the next one as well, when I fill them in. Alright, so that's all it is for lesson 2. And then remember to go and save, and log in and log out at the end. Thank you for your time.